Did you know that your skin can often be the first indicator that something might be amiss within your body? Our skin is our largest organ, and its condition reflects our overall health. A balanced, nutritious diet has a profound effect not only on our health, but also on the appearance of our skin. Shiny, strong hair, resilient nails, and radiant, clear skin are not only the results of how we care for our bodies externally with cosmetics and skincare routines, but, more importantly, reflect what we nourish our bodies with internally. Everything we give to our bodies eventually reflects back to us in one way or another. Beautiful, healthy skin craves nutrients. Glowing skin thrives on foods rich in essential minerals, especially zinc and sulfur, often referred to as the beauty minerals. These minerals, along with antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E, and healthy fats, are crucial for maintaining vibrant skin. Additionally, anti-inflammatory foods and those that support our liver, kidneys, blood, and intestines help contribute to clear, balanced skin. When organs such as the kidneys and liver become overburdened, the skin may take on a defensive role, which can manifest in various skin conditions, such as rashes, acne, or eczema. But what are these beauty foods that dermatologists and nutrition experts recommend for achieving radiant skin? Nourished and hydrated skin almonds. Almonds are an incredible source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps keep the skin hydrated and nourished from the inside out. As a result, the skin becomes soft, smooth, and resilient. Other excellent sources of vitamin E include olive oil, sunflower seeds, and avocados, which also provide healthy fats to promote skin hydration. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, known to maintain skin elasticity and hydration, and they also have anti-inflammatory effects. Adding a spoonful to your morning smoothie or yogurt is a simple way to help protect your skin's moisture barrier and keep it looking fresh and plump. Radiant and even skin-toned sweet potatoes. What makes sweet potatoes so beneficial? They're loaded with beta-carotene, a crucial antioxidant that contributes to beautiful, glowing skin. This vegetable helps combat dullness, giving the skin a more vibrant appearance. Sweet potatoes are also full of biotin, which stimulates the growth of strong hair and nails. Other excellent sources of beta-carotene include carrots, pumpkins, and leafy greens like spinach. Hijiki seaweed, inspired by Japanese women, who are known for their flawless, glowing skin. Seaweed is rich in B vitamins and minerals such as iron, zinc, and calcium. Seaweed contributes to an even skin tone and promotes radiance. It also supports collagen production, which enhances hair and nail quality. Additionally, the high fiber content of seaweed can aid in detoxification, helping remove impurities that may affect the skin. Foods for fighting imperfections. Pumpkin seeds. Known for their high zinc content, pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse for skin health. Zinc is essential for wound healing, calming irritated skin, regulating sebum production, and reducing inflammatory conditions like acne. Including these seeds in your daily diet can help maintain a clear complexion. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, which are antioxidants with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking green tea regularly may help reduce redness, irritation, and acne, while also protecting against environmental stressors. A green tea mask can also be beneficial for soothing irritated or inflamed skin. Fermented foods. Gut health is directly linked to the clarity and overall health of our skin. An imbalanced digestive system can result in various skin issues, such as rosacea, eczema, or acne. Probiotic-rich foods like fermented vegetables, e.g., sauerkraut and kimchi, and miso paste help maintain healthy gut flora, which in turn supports clear, healthy skin by improving nutrient absorption. The anti-aging effect beetroot. The secret to beetroot's beauty benefits lies in its high levels of betaine, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from signs of aging. Regularly consuming beetroot can help maintain firm, youthful skin while improving blood flow, giving your skin a natural glow. This can be as simple as adding beetroot to salads or blending it into juices and smoothies. Berries, often considered a superfood. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are incredibly rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts collagen production. This helps combat wrinkles and sagging skin while providing anti-inflammatory benefits. Berries are a versatile addition to breakfast bowls, smoothies, or even salads. Tulsi tea, although not a food, Tulsi, holy basil, tea plays an essential role in maintaining skin health. Rich in antioxidants, it helps slow down the aging process, fights inflammation, and can soothe the body and mind, reducing stress, a key factor in skin health. Relaxing with a cup of Tulsi tea is a simple yet effective way to care for your skin and overall well-being. 2 final tips for radiant skin. Hydrate. Drinking enough water is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to maintain clear, healthy skin. Aim for at least 2 liters a day to help flush out toxins, improve circulation, and keep your skin looking fresh and hydrated. Get quality sleep. A good night's rest is the foundation for beautiful skin. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep each night, ideally sleeping on your back to minimize friction on the skin. Sleep supports cellular regeneration and repair, ensuring you wake up with a fresh, revitalized complexion. By incorporating these beauty foods into your diet and focusing on a holistic approach to health, you're not only nurturing your skin, but also supporting your body's overall wellness. Beautiful skin starts from within, and the effects are reflected on the outside.